Maybe I should show you something, try to get a little closer up look at what I'm doing here. I'll see if I can clamp my camera here on this thing and have it where hopefully you can see what I'm doing. This tool here, like I say, it's my dad's old ridge reamer. There's a little screw in the end, you loosen that screw and these little cutting edges you can bump them in with a hammer or something. Once you get it in there, you stick a screwdriver in here, turn that screw, and it pushes these little edges out. These here right on top of the cylinder. And then once you do that, you can turn it like this. And what you get is a cutting edge that goes right along just the top of the cylinder there, see? And you pull that out. If you've done enough, and you'll have a nice smooth area up here. Now I can still feel a little ridge, not much, but I mean it's just like about the width of a little tiny flat piece of typing paper. It's very small, but a little bit more would be good. So I'm just gonna stick this in here and turn this screwdriver a little bit and put my socket on here. If tools could tell stories, I'm pretty sure this one would tell stories about 56 T-birds and 44s. And I remember Dad working in the shop in Ben Hill, Georgia. A fella by the name of Roy Wheeler. He owned the shop. Dad worked at the couch factory in the day, and then on the weekends and in the evenings he worked for Roy Wheeler down in the shop there. I specifically remember a black fellow that brought in a 56 T-bird with a blown engine, and as he was leaving, somebody said, "Light them tires up." And he said, "Nope." He said, "That's how I got here in the first place." Anyway, yeah, them old days, I recall them pretty well. I was just a little fella back then. Probably, I don't even know if I was old enough to be in school at that point. I'm gonna go just a little more. A little bit more. There's a little bit of stuff building up. Oh, I think that's just dirt. Never mind that. Not quite there, but we're getting there. It's almost perfect. I'm just going to go a little bit more. Just a little bit more.